Okay, continuing sa limit na yan, meron pang two more things na kailangan natin alalahanin dito, which is yung limit of sine x as x approaches c at limit of cosine x as x approaches c. Itong pares na to ay equal sa sine of c and cosine of c. So, what does this all mean? Tingnan nyo. C, as x approaches c, ibig sabihin na ito, si c ay isa-substitute natin kay x. Kaya naging sine of c dito. Same thing kay cosine. As x approaches c, si c ay isa-substitute natin kay x. Kaya magiging cosine of c. So, what does all of that mean? So, let's put this into practice. Say may given na ganito. Limit of sine of 2x as x approaches pi. So, ano sagot dito? Itong pi na to, we're not referring to pi exactly, but we're referring to radians. Okay? So, kung naalala nyo yung radiant, ano kasi, ilang degrees? 180 degrees, di ba? Yung sa table, yung may circle na ganyan. Tapos dito 0, 90, 180 to 70. Tapos ito 1 pi, 2 pi, and then yung 1.5 pi or something ganon. Doon natin magagamit yung ganon dito. So let's say yan, si pi ay 180. So isi-substitute natin si pi kay x kasi nga sabi dito sa rule na to isi-substitute lang dun tapos makukuha din natin yung sagot. So isa-substitute natin si pi kay x magiging 2 pi or 2 times 180 degrees or 2 times or 360 degrees. So sine of 360 yung hanapin natin. Ito yung itong 2 pinahaba ko lang. Kasama pa rin yung sine sa kanya doon. Okay? So, itong sine 360, ilalagay lang natin sa calculator. Yan. Sine 360. Tapos, ayan yung sagot natin. 0. So, ayan yung sagot. 360. Yun yung sagot. 0. Okay, so, let's say another one. Limit of x limit of sine range limit of sine cosine naman limit of cosine at let's say x divided by 2 as x approaches let's say pi divided by 4. So paano natin gagawin? Isa-substitute ulit natin si pi divided by 4 kay x. So mangyari magiging pi divided by 4 divided by 2. So, dalawang division, paano yan? Pwede natin to i-rewrite as pi divided by 4 divided by divided by 2 or 2 over 1 kasi every number ay may base na 1, di ba? Ngayon, paano to? Kukunin natin yung kabaliktaran nito tapos gagawin natin itong multiply. So, kabaliktaran ni 2 over 1 ay 1/2. And ito magiging times na. Tapos direct multiplication, makukuha natin pi divided by 8. Ilan kasi si pi? Ay si pi nga 180 degrees. So 180 degrees divided by 8, siya? Kakatamad. Ito lang. 180 divided by 8, 22.5. So yun nalagay natin. Cosine of 22.5. So ito yung sagot. 0.923 something. Take in mind na iba si pi kay radiant. Okay? Kasi baka ilagay nyo sa exam sine of pi. Ayan, iba yan. Tinaw, iba yung sagot. 0.054. Kumpara sa sine of 180, which is 0. Diba? Yun lang yung ano. Dun lang kayo mag-ingat. Pero, all in all, eto na yung dito sa limit of stuff.